The ceasefire is dead. Iran talks collapsed over the weekend. Trump just announced a naval blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. It goes live today at 10 a.m. Eastern, not tomorrow, today. Oil ripped 7% overnight. WTI back above $103 a barrel. Last week we had that monster rally on ceasefire hopes. Best week for the S&P since November. NASDAQ up almost 5%. And now? All of that optimism just got obliterated Sunday night. Here's what happened. Vance flew to Islamabad for peace talks. Iran wanted control of the strait, war reparations, and frozen assets released. The U.S. said no to all of it. Talks over. So now the Navy will block all ships heading to or from Iranian ports. Key detail though, ships going to non-Iranian ports can still pass through. This isn't a full shutdown. What's up? I'm Marcus. I put one of these out every single morning before the open. If you trade momentum and you want the playbook before the bell, subscribe. Let's get to the names. Quick reminder, nothing I say here is financial advice. I'm just breaking down what I'm seeing this morning. Always do your own research before you put money on the line. Friday was a nothing burger. S&P flat, NASDAQ up 1/3%. Everyone was positioned for a quiet weekend heading into bank earnings. That did not age well. All right, number one on the board, RTX Corporation, up 4% pre-market, pushing 255. Volume is 3x normal pre-market. That's real. This thing hit all-time highs last week at 245. It just blew through that. The catalyst is the blockade. Tomahawk and SM-6 missile demand is, quote, insatiable. They also just landed a $3.8 billion engine contract. Dude, this name is printing. Here's your setup. Entry above 255 on volume. Stop at 248, target 268. That's better than 2-1. Opening drive play. This has continuation written all over it. Number two, LMT, Lockheed Martin, up 4.6% pre-market. Pushing 525. Volume is heavy, 3 to 4x average. Okay, so here's the deal. This isn't just about the blockade headline. The White House just dropped a $1.5 trillion defense budget for 2027. They doubled the F-35 order to 85 jets. That is a direct revenue catalyst for Lockheed. Plus $25 billion for the Golden Dome missile defense program. The setup, watch 530 for the breakout, stop at 520, target 550. 2-1. The catalyst is structural, not just a headline pop. I like this one a lot. Number three, GS, Goldman Sachs, and this one is different. Goldman reports earnings this morning before the bell. Stock is barely moving pre-market, up 0.5% at 908. Wall Street expects $16.9 billion in revenue. That's 12% growth. Their M&A pipeline is $1.6 trillion. The fee machine is running hot, and trading revenue should be massive. This kind of volatility is Goldman's playground. But here's the thing. Don't chase this before the print. If they beat, watch for a breakout above 920. Stop at 905, target 950. If they miss, it fills the gap down to 880. Either way, wait for confirmation. Do not guess. Okay, the calendar. There are two things that matter today. Number one, the Hormuz blockade goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern. If it goes smooth, markets might stabilize. If Iran retaliates, this gets much uglier fast. Number two, Goldman earnings before the open. Banks set the tone for Q1 earnings season. JP Morgan reports tomorrow. Citi and Wells Fargo Wednesday. PPI data drops Tuesday. Busy week. Bottom line, the war trade is back on. Defense is the cleanest momentum play today. RTX and Lockheed are both breaking out on real catalysts with heavy volume. Oil is ripping, but the big energy names are weirdly red. Be careful there. Volume is not confirming. Goldman is a wait and see. Don't guess on earnings. Let the numbers talk first. Defined entries, defined stops, cut losers fast. You know the drill. That's your Monday morning. Be smart out there. Don't be an idiot with your money, and I'll see you tomorrow.